We'll discuss about e-invoicing in SAP in this podcast, focusing on its application in India's thriving manufacturing sector. Electronic invoicing has revolutionized the way businesses handle their financial processes, allowing for greater efficiency, transparency, and compliance. E-invoicing. A brief introduction. E-invoicing is the exchange of the invoice document between a buyer and a seller in an integrated electronic format. In SAP, e-invoicing solutions allow businesses to automate their invoice generation and dispatching process, significantly reducing manual effort and the risk of errors. It enables real-time tracking of invoices and streamlined tax reporting, adhering to the Goods and Services Tax (GST) norms in India. Understanding e-invoicing in an Indian manufacturing context. Let's imagine a company, Autotech, a prominent automotive parts manufacturer in India. Autotech uses SAP as its ERP, streamlining its various business processes from procurement to sales. In the context of e-invoicing, when Autotech makes a sale, the system generates an invoice. But this is not just any invoice. This is an electronic invoice or e-invoice coded in a specific format which makes it machine readable and compliant with GST regulations in India. E-invoicing journey, end-to-end scenario. Here's a streamlined journey of an invoice from creation to reconciliation. First step is invoice creation. Autotech sells parts to Motocorp, creating an e-invoice in SAP with all the required details. Next step is validation and submission. This e-invoice is validated for errors and GST compliance, then submitted to the GST network. Next is invoice registration. GSTN registers the e-invoice, assigns a unique invoice reference number, and digitally signs it, adding a QR code for authenticity. Then comes buyer's receipt and acceptance. The e-invoice is sent electronically to Motocorp's system. Upon verification, Motocorp accepts it. The next step in the process is reconciliation and payment. Autotech's SAP system registers Motocorp's payment, reconciles the invoice with the payment, marking it as completed. The last and final step in the process is reporting. Autotech's SAP system records all e-invoices, enabling accurate financial reporting and tax filing. With the Indian government's mandate to adopt e-invoicing for businesses of certain thresholds, understanding and implementing e-invoicing in SAP becomes crucial. Thanks for tuning into this episode. I hope you found it helpful and insightful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, I would love to hear from you. What topic would you like me to cover next? Your feedback helps shape the content of future episodes, so don't hesitate to share your ideas.